Okay, here I am down at the East Bowl on December 24, 2021. A rainy day today. Time is 9:09 a.m. Christmas Eve. Gonna climb up to my first perch of the day here. And just a rainy day down here at the East Bowl. Not anything going on, and I'd be surprised if anything is actually going on at all down here today. We're in for a extended period of rain here. Started raining last night and continuing to rain into today. Should rain almost all day today, and looks like from the weather forecast we're into an extended period of rain which may last almost a week. It'll be intermittent at times. Some days, like I think Monday, might not be rainy, but then other days rain will come and go, 40-50% chance. Today is probably the rainiest day for sure. Very extended area of rain approaching and coming through the area. So I'm just gonna hit each place just a little bit. There's obviously no activity to show, but this will give an idea of the rain impact we'll have on the work site. So it'll be a challenging week coming through today into next weekend, the New Year's, heading into 2022. But imagine the holiday itself would cut back on the workload, so might not be much activity really till we get to 2022. So I'll cut this short here, and I'm going to move on around to my other areas. Right, here I am down at City Hall now at the lagoon. Just going to check from this angle. I'll probably hit most of my perches today just to see what the impact of the rain is on the side here. So again, not much activity down here in front of City Hall. So probably only shoot a few minutes at each site, I'm thinking. But we'll see. Not much activity at all. It's a nice gray, wintry Scottsdale day. So that's what this looks like. Now I think I'm going to move around to the West Paseo, see what's happening down in that area around Old Town Tavern and the Old Town area. Hit those perches, and it'll probably be a relatively short shoot today, but nice opportunity to see how rain impacts the work site here. Alrighty, let's finish this up right here. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo now. Check out the rain impact on the West Paseo here. See what's happening. No activity down here either. Nobody down here except me. So rain's probably been falling in this area, I'm going to guess, for maybe, I think it started just a little before 4 a.m. in this part of Scottsdale. So now it's pushing 9. $9:30. Watch it, gotta change itself. Alright, so here it is, 9:30 a.m. now here on December 24th, Christmas Eve. West Paseo looking very wet. Climb up here a little bit higher. See what you can see. They falling down the steps. It's a wet, rainy day. And Christmas Eve, so I'm not sure there would have been any activity here anyway. But the rain doesn't really help it. So, shoot just a little bit here and then move on around to the West Bowl perch. And see what's going on. But the rain is gonna make kind of a sloppy mess of this for a while, I think. Like I said, might not really be much that can be done till 2022, January 3rd. Get past all the holiday hoopla. And move on around. So I'm gonna stop this here and move on around to my various perches. Alright, here I am. I'll walk through Old Town Tavern here down to the end of West Paseo at Brown in Maine. Tavern. It's tables and stuff covered up, protected from the rain. Extended period of rain today, so probably won't be that much happening at the Old Town Tavern today. Oh, inside will be opened up, I imagine, but the outside may stay uncovered or unused, covered up. And down to Brown in Maine. See, even with a heavy, fairly decent rain event, cars not really being impacted by any inflow of mud or anything. It would take a hell of a rain for that to occur. Alright. Town itself fairly mellow. Much going on. Very little going on. Village here. Get over the fence. Pretty wet, nasty out in there. You know, it's about the story down here. Not much going on. I'm going to stop this here. Move on around to the West Bowl. Happening over there. Right here I am crossing out AZ 88 to the West Bowl. Renovation. Christmas tree going. Nice in there. See what's happening over in the West Bowl. And not much happening down here either. Just wet and muddy. seeing the impact of rain on the work site, which not really too much right now. It is kind of wet and muddy, but let's see. I mean, this is sort of the first day of a week of varied rain that will come across the area, so it could become more impactful as the rain accumulates, but we'll see. So not much happening down here. I think I'm only going to make one more stop. I'm going to finish up over by the library steps. See what's happening over there. So I'm going to end this up here. See how it goes. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the library steps. And not much going on down here either. Accumulation of water. And see back into the West Pole. Equipment's parked. Nothing going on. It's a wet, rainy day. I've probably said multiple times already. Really happening. I'll just haul my perch here real quick. Shoot over the fence into the lagoon area. See what's going on there. This water accumulated everywhere. Extended rain. Like I said earlier, potentially rain on through into next Thursday, off and on. 30, 40, 50% from day to day, depending. So, just sort of a reconnaissance status check today. See how the water impacts everything. And so you couldn't really do much out here with this heavy equipment and the mud just bog down and tear up what you've done. You see into the lagoon quite clearly there now. Well, they've chopped it off, so that's going to be the extent of the lagoon. It'll just be re-pieced together into a smaller lagoon there, and then the west, the Civic Outlet, if I'm recalling the name correctly, will then cut through here over into the East Bowl. So I'm going to move on around and look at the incline area by the library steps here. Over here, look at all these library steps here, and that'll most likely be it for the day. Just not anything other than the rain itself that's of interest to shoot. So, what's happening here? A lot of accumulation of water down here at the base. Some water runoff from the upper level of the Civic line down to the lower level here. Not really a whole lot of water damage there. Not sure if it looks like. We'll see maybe over the next week. Cumulative effects of water may have an issue for the area, but not really much going on. We might expect on a rainy Thanksgiving, or Thanksgiving, what I'm saying, Christmas Eve here. So this will be it for today. Shoot this, go back home, dry myself off, edit this up, get it posted. So that's pretty much the story down here on this rainy Christmas Eve. So we'll finish up here, head home, so call this good. All right.